Indigenous cuisines of the Americas. Indigenous cuisines across the Americas have flourished over millennia, shaped by the rich tapestry of plant and animal domestication, deep-rooted ecological wisdom, and vibrant culinary traditions. While these practices differ by region, they are all woven together by profound connections to place, ceremony, and the rhythms of nature. Long before borders, the Americas were a shared pantry: maize, potato, cacao, and countless gardens of knowledge. This is the taste of place, centuries of cultivation, ceremony, and survival, still feeding the world. Core domesticates and staples. At the heart of these culinary traditions are essential crops and staples: corn, maize, beans, and squash, the revered three sisters, alongside potatoes, manioc, cassava, amaranth, chili peppers, tomatoes, cacao, and a variety of other squashes and tubers. These crops were cultivated and refined by indigenous peoples across the Americas and later revolutionized global diets during the Columbian Exchange. Regional highlights: North America, including the US and Canada. Rich ingredients such as wild rice, maple syrup, turkey, venison, shellfish, and foraged berries, nuts, and greens take center stage. Cooking methods feature roasting, smoking, pit cooking, and stone boiling, creating dishes that celebrate the bounty of the land. Mesoamerica, Mexico and Central America. Here, maize stands as the cornerstone of culinary life, transformed into tortillas and tamales through the process of nixtamalization. Beans, squash, chilies, and cacao, integral in both ritual and cuisine, mingle with vibrant salsas and stews, bringing the region's flavors to life. Andean and South America. The high-altitude landscapes yield unique staples like potatoes and quinoa, while llama and alpaca provide vital protein sources in the Andes. In the Amazon, manioc, tropical fruits, and fish highlight the region's diverse culinary heritage, with techniques honed to suit both lofty heights and lush rainforests. Techniques, tools, and flavor building. Culinary techniques such as nixtamalization and alkaline treatment of maize, the use of pit and earth ovens, smoking and drying for preservation, and fermentation, as seen in chicha and other beverages, play crucial roles in shaping the texture and flavor of foods. The extensive use of foraged herbs, seeds, and bark adds depth and aroma, while distinctive cooking tools and stones reflect the unique cultures that created them. Colonial contact, transformation, and resilience. The arrival of Europeans introduced new animals, grains, and technologies, yet it also disrupted indigenous food systems through land dispossession, forced labor, and shifting trade networks. Paradoxically, the crops cultivated by indigenous peoples have reshaped global cuisines. Think of the tomatoes adorning Italian dishes, the chili peppers enlivening Asian cuisine, and the potatoes that became a staple across Europe, showcasing not just a tale of loss, but also remarkable cultural resilience. Contemporary revival, health, and cultural meaning. Today, a powerful movement among indigenous chefs, scholars, and communities is reclaiming and revitalizing traditional foods. They are reviving heirloom seeds, decolonizing menus, and emphasizing the connection between food sovereignty, health, and cultural resurgence. Traditional foods remain integral to creation stories, ceremonies, and seasonal practices, illuminating a path to sustain cultural identity and continuity. From the Arctic to Patagonia, indigenous cuisines embody thousands of years of stewardship of land, rich ecological knowledge, and vibrant ritual practices. Key domesticates and staples. Maize, corn, the foundation of Mesoamerican and many North American diets. It is transformed into beloved staples like tortillas, tamales, and hominy through the art of nixtamalization. Beans and squash, together they form the Three Sisters, companion planting system that has sustained countless communities in North America and Mesoamerica. Potatoes, quinoa, and manioc, cassava. These staples are uniquely adapted to the high altitudes and tropical forests of the Andes and Amazon. Peppers, tomatoes, cacao, avocados, amaranth, wild rice, and sunflower, regionally significant crops that have captured the global palate since contact. North America, Canada, and the United States, flavorful venison, succulent turkey, smoked or pit-cooked fish, wild rice, luscious maple syrup, and foraged berries and nuts showcase traditional techniques such as smoking, pit roasting, stone boiling, and drying. Mesoamerica, Mexico and Central America. Iconic dishes feature nixtamalized maize, like tortillas or pozole, complex mole and chili sauces, and cacao celebrated in both ceremonial and culinary roles. Andes in South America, elevated dishes highlight diverse potato preparations, quinoa porridge and breads, grilled llama or alpaca in the highlands, and manioc-based dishes complemented by river fish in the Amazon. Fermentation, chicha, and smoking are essential methods of preservation that enhance flavor. Techniques, preservation, and flavor building. Nixtamalization transforms maize, boosting both its nutrition and flavor, a vital cornerstone of Mesoamerican foodways. Techniques like pit cooking, smoking, drying, and fermentation preserve food and create complex, layered flavors across varied climates. The thoughtful use of foraged herbs, seeds, and bark infuses dishes with local seasonality and fragrance. Colonial contact, the Columbian exchange, and consequences. Indigenous crops from the Americas have profoundly influenced global foodways, e.g., potatoes, tomatoes, chili peppers, while European colonization disrupted indigenous food systems through land seizure, forced labor, and the imposition of foreign diets. This history of cultural loss intertwines with a narrative of resilience and adaptability in culinary expression. Contemporary revival and food sovereignty, a vibrant movement of indigenous chefs, seed keepers, and scholars, is passionately reclaiming ancestral ingredients and traditions, decolonizing menus, reviving heirloom varieties, and forging connections between food practices and health and sovereignty initiatives. Quick resources to explore further. Discover accessible overviews of major indigenous crops and their global impact. Follow the inspiring projects of indigenous chefs and cultural food initiatives for contemporary recipes and culinary practices, celebrating a legacy that continues to thrive. A 6 to 8 minute documentary-style video tracing indigenous cuisines from North America through Mesoamerica to South America, weaving history, key ingredients, techniques, and contemporary revival into a single narrative thread. Narrative arc, 3 acts. Origins and foundations, the domestication of staple crops and the kitchen of the continents. Regional expressions, distinct foods, techniques, and ceremonial roles across broad regions. Continuity and resurgence, colonial disruption, the Columbian exchange, and modern indigenous food sovereignty and chefs. Long before borders, the Americas were a shared pantry, maize, potato, cacao, and countless gardens of knowledge. This is the taste of place. Centuries of cultivation, ceremony, and survival, still feeding the world. Key historical beats to cover: deep time, millennia of plant and animal domestication, maize, beans, squash, potatoes, manioc, chili peppers, cacao. Nixtamalization and its nutritional culinary importance in Mesoamerica. Techniques: pit roasting, smoking, drying, stone boiling, fermentation, chicha, other beverages. Columbian exchange, how indigenous crops reshaped global diets and how colonization altered indigenous food systems. Contemporary movements, indigenous chefs, seed keepers, and food sovereignty initiatives reclaiming traditions. North America, Canada, and the U.S., wild rice, smoked fish, maple, venison, pemmican, and foraged berries and nuts. Mesoamerica, Mexico and Central America, nixtamal masa, tortillas, tamales, pozole, mole, cacao. Andes and South America, potatoes and tubers, quinoa, manioc, yucca, ceviche, grilled llama or alpaca, and Amazonian fish and fruit.